Welcome to Tuesday Talk. I'm in the car again, and I'm off to my little side gig, which is at Atlas Furniture Imports in the Logan Valley Mall in Altoona, Pennsylvania, and I am doing design consultations. So people are invited to bring their pictures, their problems, and we can discuss it. And of course, I'm happy to set them up with some furniture and financing as well. And the cool bonus to that is there is a boutique in the store called Laurel and Stitch, and I'm actually wearing a top from them right now. So it's been a little busy, and our topic today, Cheryl Wald, channel member, suggested I dig a little deeper into the YouTube subject. So in case not all of my viewers are into YouTube, I've also included what I've been doing. You might find that interesting. Cheryl is her channel is Lifestyle of a DIYer. You definitely need to check her channel out. Using the screen capture on my phone, I did a search for YouTube apps. Before we do that, I'll share what I've been up to lately. Yesterday, I appeared on Studio 814, which is a local lifestyle station, and we painted planter chairs. Then immediately after that, I headed over to a local club where I was subcontracted to paint the outside doors to make them look like grotto doors. I was given some inspiration photos, and here's what I did with the doors. Let me know in the comments what you think. As my scrolling continues, YouTube Studio pops up, and that is, I think, the biggest, or to me, the most essential app to use with your YouTube. The reason I like it is because it gives you all of your information in one simple place. It's a dashboard for all of your stats. If you take a look at mine, you can see at a glance how many subscribers that you have and what your estimated revenue is. No secrets here. I'm no millionaire. And it just, each video, your latest video, and whether you forgot to monetize it or not, or whether the monetization is on, how many views it's had, and where it is ranking. So it's valuable information. I'm always checking to see how that last video did. You can check the comments section to see if you have anything unanswered. And then also, if you check the money section, you can manage all of your analytics there and see whether you have earned or not, or where you're earning, and manage all of those different areas. Cheryl had asked specifically about vidIQ, which I take it is similar to TubeBuddy. Now, the vidIQ, I always like to look at reviews before I download any apps. It says it has a rating of 4.6 stars. But when you dig a little deeper and read those comments, it's a lot of people that, even the ones that rated it a 5, had complaints. So there were a lot of ones. I'm not sure how they got that 4.6 rating, but I won't be using this app. Here's a look at the TubeBuddy app. So it shows your subscribers, it shows how your videos are doing, and I can do that in my YouTube Studio app. I can look at comments. I can also do that in the YouTube Studio, and it notifies me when I have new comments. This is the only part about TubeBuddy that I really like, is the milestones. because when you have a milestone, you can click on it and it gives you a little certificate that you can post on your social media. You can either screenshot, like I usually do, or just hit share, and then you can upload it. But I think it probably says uploaded from TubeBuddy. Then there's news. I can get news elsewhere. So I'm not really interested in that. And then there's the topic planner. So I tried that and I entered a tag, furniture, and it really didn't do anything for me. So I'm just not impressed with TubeBuddy. So unless I'm missing something, it gave me a couple ideas, but they were none that I hadn't already thought of previously. So here's the thing. If you want to get more, there it is. You have to pay for it. So lastly, I'm here today enjoying this world full of furniture. There's so much to see. It's such a big, nice showroom, and behind me and all over. So, and I get to check out comfy furniture, and also there's a clothing boutique. Really cute clothes and shoes in all sizes. This is a dream. Their grand opening is on Saturday, and I'm actually going to close so that I can participate both as a model and then I get to live my dream. Remember the show Design Star and the White Room Challenge? Well, I get to play White Room Challenge in that little corner back there, and I'll do 3 different looks that day. You know, I've been saying I'm getting to live out my dreams a lot lately. Thank you so much for watching today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss a thing. Visit us at lavintagedecor.company, and on Instagram we're LaVintage Decor. On Facebook we're LaVintage Decor Altoona. Stay well.